Hi, and welcome to another video tutorial for the Notary eJournal. In this training video, we will learn about the signing packages feature included in your Notary eJournal. It may help to watch this video a few times and work alongside us as we discuss this topic. Please reach out to our support staff if you have any questions after watching. The signing package feature allows you to group together commonly seen documents for easy access. This feature is most commonly used by our users who are loan signing agents and deal with the same lender on a regular basis. For example, if you work on a lot of refinance transactions for Bank of America and notice the same documents being notarized over and over again, create a signing package called Bank of America Refinance. That way you can quickly populate future journal entries. There are two ways to create a new signing package, so let's take a closer look. The first way to create a signing package is from the side menu, accessed from the home page of the app. Click Signing Packages to create or manage your signing packages. To create a new one, click New, then name your new signing package. From there, you can add a notary fee and any general notes if you'd like. Keep in mind that these fields can still be edited when using the signing package in the field. Next, add all of the documents related to this signing package. You can also create variations for specific situations. For example, consider making one signing package for Bank of America refinances and another signing package for Bank of America refinances that have trust documentation. Once you add the documents, click Save. You can also create a signing package on the fly. On Step 3, while creating a new Notary Journal entry, click Save Package after you've selected the documents you are notarizing. This makes it convenient to quickly create a new signing package if you noticed you've been seeing these documents over and over again. To use one of your saved signing packages in the field, start your new entry and go through Steps 1 and 2. The signing packages are found on Step 3, along with all of the other documents and notes fields. Once on Step 3, click Load Package towards the top and select which signing package you would like to use. Once you insert the package, you can edit any of the text fields that were populated by the signing package, and you can also continue to add or remove documents specific to the entry you are creating. Now that we have learned how to use the signing package features of your Notary eJournal, make sure to test it out and get comfortable with it. Remember, you can save as many signing packages as you'd like. Also, if you are trying to add a document to the signing package that isn't already in your library, head over to your document library and add it in order to be able to use it in a signing package. Check out some of our other video tutorials to refine your skills with your Notary eJournal. Thank you for joining us.